people of the internet, good people of the internet, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to flip this $50, 50 USD to 1,000. So let's see how we can do this together in our chart analysis. Okay, so this is what you're going to do. Flip flip 50 to 1,000. Okay. Okay, so let's see how we can do it much more easily. Okay, a quick one is to do the analysis but I can even see here clearly that the US market has already opened. And now I told you don't trade within the first 30 minutes, so up to around this time. So this is the time that we are supposed to use for analyzing our trade. But I just have to tell you one thing, that if you look here, there has been an uptrend, okay? Then also here, there has been an uptrend, okay? Now, this is a downtrend, which is a bearish. Now, what we expect here, these are like the past hours, how the trade has been moving. So now I can tell you that even here, we need to do something quick with our analysis. This is going to go down. Yeah. So this is going to be our analysis. But before we take on buy, we need to calculate our lot size. So what is the best lot size for 50 to make 1,000? 1,000 is a very quite possible. So we can see here to turn 50 to 1,000, the safest, the risky approach is to use 0.1 to 0.05. So this is what we will take for us to be able to reach 1,000. Okay, so what you're going to do basically right now, of course, I knew it was going to be a bearish. We could now reduce the lot size from here to 0.05. Now we can, it would have been a good point for us to sell. I've already seen this is going down, and no doubt about it. Okay, so we can actually say that's a bearish. Okay, this is a bullish. That's okay. This is okay, to make it easier, because I think whatever point you use to enter, you will be able to make some trades. But let's confirm, since we're using a small lot size, just have to be sure we get a good point to enter. It's good to enter when that candlestick is already closed. Yeah. But we will have to be taking the profit so that we can reach 1,000. Okay, so we will do scalping. Uh, we'll do scalping approach. So this should have been good. I don't know why I've taken long to take on that thread. But let me take it on. But I just have to close it much more faster so that I make more money to reach 1,000 USD. Yeah. It's not going to be a lot, but just small bundles will keep pushing it up because the account is really small. So if you're just joining us, you should be able to follow us. So that's going to be the trend. As soon as we reach somewhere around here, we should have that trade done. I'm going to show you a very good approach. So let's see how we can do this. Yeah. Mm. So we are doing from 50 to 1,000. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Could we do a buy? Confirm a bit. Proper risk management. We're not going to do a lot. We can even wait, but that's the highest we can take on the lot size of 50. So we're risking almost like we're risking some good percentage there. So that is 0. I told you we need to just keep our eyes locked here on the small profit, and the one that will make us rich, because we need the money is small, so we need any profit that we see here, we need to take it as fast as we can. Yeah. Any small profit, confirm, sell. Any small profit is going to be pushing it up. Okay. So the earlier it goes down, we take that profit, it goes up, we take that profit here. But we can't buy more. We just, because see, we have small money that we are operating with. So let's see how we can make that happen. Quite a lot of things. So, oh, there was some good money there. I hope that was 7, put us at 60. So the idea here is to try to get um try to get to need to get a browser for trading. Yeah, it goes a little bit up. Just have to wait a bit. It was kind of like risky. Oh, even if it is 4, 5 small dollars would be good enough. That small money that we take, it's less of, oh, that reduces us. Oh, so, sometimes my internet, that makes me go slow. Yeah. And also where to enter from depends on the internet. So it's a small risk. So we're using 5%. See, it would have been nice if we had taken it from somewhere there. That's too bad for us. Yeah. But as soon as cross that line, cross it one more time. You're not supposed to be losing. You're supposed to be, my eye should be locked out. It's the most difficult trade we can do to avoid blowing up accounts. So let's see. Very difficult, but interesting to watch. Mm. So if you have a small account, this is how you would manage. Okay. Oh, I saw it going down. I need to first recover the other money. Oh, nice. So we got the push up a bit. Yeah. So from 50, from 50 to um to 1,000. Okay. So we have to wait a bit for it to go up. So let's see what to do. We can't buy now. Remember, just have to wait for it to get up. Then we buy. We're using a lot, 5% of 50. That's 0.05. That's the lot size. And two. Yeah, we need to pull on those small money and reach 1,000. So let's keep pushing. Guys, like the video. Thank you for joining. Um, like the video. Okay, so that's a good place to place my buy. It went a little bit up. Now I need to look for that profit. $4 or $5. Take $6. Nice. Guys, we are in 71. So need to look for that strategy. As long as we reach 100. Okay, so now this is a good place to place our sell. We are selling. The market is bearish, so we are selling. Yeah, so need just as long as keeps us goes down a bit, I'll make some money. That's okay. Because we need to be, oh, I don't know how much we picked. $2, not bad. Buy quickly. Buy quickly. Uh, okay. Okay. Be locked here. $9.5. So let's give it a clap, guys. Okay, let's enter. Hmm? Not bad. We can wait a minute. Close. $6, $6, $6, $6. Yeah, let's close. Wait a bit. Uh-huh. That's how I would. As long as I reach 100, close 10, $13, $13, $13. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, let's go. One more time. We are in 100. So one more time, we are in 100. We just need to push that money to be at least 100 so that we can reach 1,000. We could even like wait for it. But we need it first go up a bit. Don't know where the candle will close. I've taken a little bit from there. Not so sure. See, it just dropped. Now I can see if I uh 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 uh. uh. Now I have to okay. So we should have waited. That's what I was telling you. But let's be patient. Now you have to be patient with our positions that are very volatile. Should have taken the trade up now and you have exposed our account. We're just doing 10%. Okay. 10% might blow. That wasn't a good risk management. This just have to watch our account being blown. Okay, it's not all that easy, guys. But otherwise, thank you for trying. Thank you for trying. Let's see. Let's pray that it goes down. That's so bad. So bad. Yeah. You have nothing left. That's why I was telling you it's better to keep. I don't know why I do a lot of risk. I don't know why. You just have to pray that closes there, it goes down. Yeah. But please just use only one. I was just trying to look for like to cross 100 and then yeah. But anytime from now, we won't do that. Even if we have like even if you have uh small account, small account, small account. Yeah. Really hot for us. So guys, like the video. Yeah, like the video. That was too bad. Too bad because man, see, account might be gone anytime soon. So we learned that mistake. We won't do it again. Okay? We won't do it again. If our goal is to make 1,000, we won't do it again. Oh, that's blown up. Okay. That was too bad. That was a blown account. Okay, so account is blocked. So we do 50 here. We lost that. But I know the mistakes that made us lose that account. I know that mistake. So I can tell you, I can take on only a sell here, but one lot. Okay. I had the challenge we had is that shoo, 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 shoo. Okay. Blown. That was blown too quick. So you see the risk. Blown 50. You see the risk of dealing with a small account. I always tell people that risk is always terrible. If you have to be patient, very patient. You have to be very patient. And please, even a lot size of 0.05, 5%. It's very risky. Very risky. And we only have to take the trade when it has gone up, then going down. I'm going to show you the techniques. Yeah. I'm going to show you. Let this first go somewhere. We get some money. Like, yeah. Let's try. Not so bad. Let's try. Goes down. So this is how you're going to be laughing at me next week on real account. Let us get some small money there. I just don't want it to be so much down. Let me just keep praying. Goes down a bit. I need it to cross a bit. That was later, but it's okay. So you take small trade. Okay, let's see. That's a good entry. Oh, okay. 2 going to 59. Super, 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 super dangerous. Okay. Let's watch ourselves. Let's go on. Small account, small risk. Yeah. Let me try to confirm something there. I don't know, but I would have done it around there. That would be nice. Oh, against us. It's against us. That was bad. So from now going forward to have a better risk, we will only enter. This is how you trade with small account. Small account. In a blink of an eye, your account is gone. So 0.5 is also big. Let's see how 0.5 plays. I don't know how much we can blow up today. So that is it. So this is something hard to watch, but hard to watch, hard to watch, hard to watch. Super hard to watch. This is crazy. That account is gone. The account is gone. That account is gone. And it's super gone. Let it go. That is it. Wow, so very, very, very difficult. Very, very difficult to trade small amount. Let's see. Okay. Oh, ouch, 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 ouch. So our problem is risk management. We're taking too much risk. Okay. We're taking too much risk. So I'm going to do this. I'm just going to sell that account. Why? Why can't I sell? So you just have to do like two. What's crazy here? The price is in the yeah. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. I see. I want us to do 50. USD. Practicing for next week. Okay. Okay, so we're learning something from here. So I say price is in the H1 in the we could draw that. Ta-da-da, ta-da-da, ta-da-da. So this is our fair. That's our fair value gap. Each. Okay, interesting, interesting. Okay, okay. I see. Okay, it's crazy. So someone was saying that it's not that easy trading small account. Yeah, we see it. We see it. But 0.5 should be okay for us to. Now let's sell. Oh, why? Why? So at what point are we going to sell? Hmm? Okay. Today I don't have my good analysis, so I'll try to do some bit of proper analysis here. I really don't. Oh. Let's see. So how do we do it, brother? Hmm? How do we do it? It's definitely going down. So can we try now? Oh, it's not detecting the money on the account. Okay, let's wait for it to go down, but that would be crazy. I'm gonna try something here. Okay. Yeah. Even when we know clearly that it's going down. Anyway, need to make some sales, brother. We are not topping up. Okay, just keep it because we're not going to try that, but Okay, so let's try to understand a few things here. Um, so it's true, we wait for the yeah, it's true now. The, that's an interesting one. Okay, so you just have to do some bit of waiting here. Wait for the price to reach the fair gap zone. So that's okay. Yeah. So our win rate is going to be a little bit difficult. Let's see. So, hmm, that is a bad one for us. So I think Alban has to first take more time. Um, you have to come back for next training here. Okay, so can we now? I think we can. Oh, what the heck is this, man? We're not here forever. The best entry is actually the first touch of the guys. Are we going to sit here? So, why not do $1,000? I'm tired of that shit, man. Why not just do $1,000? Okay, I thought just tops up, but doesn't. So let's just set a new balance there. Let's just do 100. I think yeah, we're gonna do 100 because can't just keep up with that shit. Need to make money. We don't have all that time to be here. What the fuck is this again? Hmm? That's crazy. I hate watching small accounts. We are in trouble. Look, all this, man, you punishing us. We don't make that money now, so just have to go and watch yesterday's uh stream to understand more about the the fair value gap. Can we sell now? It's not easy on small account. There is crazy, 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 crazy. I took this. Oh, a good one. A good one. So it's saying, basically, okay, let me talk about it. That what we see right now is that the price must retrace back into the fair value gap. Why? Because the institutions of our rebalanced liquidity is continuing to move. So that is the most funny thing. So we do not enter again. We have to wait until the price touches the fair. So this is what is really happening. Yeah, we do not enter immediately, or when the price touches the FVG. Yeah, what do you want to learn? Ah, no, 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 no. We will have to, we need to talk about uh, rejection inside. We need to learn about rejection inside FVG. Okay, look, all these opportunities, man. Guys, do I withdraw? This is crazy. I don't feel good about this shit, man. If you're watching live right now, I think could tell you it's, yeah. So this was a sell. Also depend on what you're watching that side, man. Boy. What's not going on today? Okay, for those who are selling, guys, you should be able to. I can't wait for that. And I can't take forever, man. I need to do some trade here. I'm trying to look at that in real life. I don't want to trade small account. I'm done with small account. Yeah. Benjamin, how? No, you can't withdraw. Okay, let's try, because with 500, I could do like, I could do like 0.1. So let's see. Let's see. I'll just add one more zero here to get the best. I don't have that time, guys. Ooh. Uh, so for 500 account aiming to make the lot size should be 0 to that's recommended for a balanced risk. Okay. One, aggressive strategies might use 0.01. That is it. That is being aggressive. So let's see. So it's a sell. I don't have that time for that bullshit of waiting forever, man. I need to make money. I need to push the account. So I think trading next week is gonna be crazy here. I think it could still go. Next week it's gonna be crazy. Need to learn when to enter. I'm interested in fast reaching. So we needed small account, but I can't just be hanging on there. I can afford to fund 500. Okay, so let's see. How much is 500 USD? How much is 500? 1.8. Okay, so how much is 2 million? 2 million. It's 523. Okay. All right. So let's do that then. TDDT. I don't know. We could sell a bit. Very aggressive people can use 0.01. So knowing the lot size, that should be cool. Ugh. Yo. Sit. right now, I'll show you but I'll show you how to make that money. But of course, it needs good investment. If you have good investment, you can push. Okay, so you can push that. So you see, like this could be a profit, and it's easier, by the way, to withdraw. Have you ever withdrawn that? Eh? Yeah, yeah, yeah. So it's easy. Yeah, yeah. So, but that's what I've invested. So now I'm first practicing here before losing here, because this is the entire capital. Yeah, yeah, that's the entire capital. So I'm first like now it's supposed to be like I don't know why it's showing negative. Oh, when you come here, you see clearly that we made a mistake here. Hmm? We made a mistake, and then we need to close this. It's going down, eh? So when it goes down, you sell. I think I accidentally clicked what? Buy. So that's what happened. I was wondering why it's just like playing like that. So on the other hand, I have other people who are just watching this stuff here online. Let me just see what they're commenting. Yeah. Okay. To. This is the lower zone where it has ever dropped. Okay. So if I continue and I be patient, and it's like someone will say hello, eh, hello, boom. Uh, now I'm going to say I need signals from you today. All right. So so there are guys who always come like online here. Like this guy is in South Africa. So he comes every day. We do trade as he's also trading the other side. Yeah, but good analysis, you make more money. But also the time, like now, here, the best option is when we sell, we make money. Okay. But you have to once wait for this candle to close. But now let me first teach you the basics. The one like buying and selling. Yeah. uh, I need signals. So today is also Friday. Yes. So now when you look at it here clearly, this uptrend, if you buy from here and you close means you take your profit from here, you'd have made money. If you do the opposite, like you sell instead of buying, you lose money. It's just like here we are selling, but it is going what? The upper direction. That's why we are losing money. But mm, okay, you see these two. This is buy, this is sell, this is buy. Now,
So you usually buy when the dollar goes down. Not so. Or you sell when it has gone down.
Okay, you do what we call market analysis first. You have to analyze your market, uh, like 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 well before, like now here. If okay, like you, even you yourself, look at it here. You've been seeing in the past 4 hours, it has been going down, up, down. Is that okay? But now the most risky part of it is that when it moves down up to around this zone, this is a zone. Mm? Now this part here is called what? Resist. You look at the previous candle week, the previous one. It's here. This uh uh this is a candle I'm talking about. This one. You see, like here. Okay, you look at the pattern, eh? Like at some point when it came around here, it went up. When it came around here, I can draw this. Let me draw this. Huh? So, so you can see.
Oh, you're talking of this thick red line.
Just look at it in terms of the V, like the top of the rooftop. Okay, like it is up, down, up, down. So when it goes up, it's called bullish. When you buy from here and it goes up, you make more money. But if you do the opposite and sell and it goes up, that is going against you. You lose money.
So the tricky part,
Eh,
the
mm,
tricky part is, can
mm.
you tell that it is going to go up?
Yes, yes. Now, like now, you see, like now here I'm making money. Okay, I can first close this profit and you see to show you. So you see, I've closed the profits like 38. You see, the money goes up. Okay, now I'm going to sell again because I'm going to sell again. I will explain this. You need to put the lot size, points in percentage in points. That will also let you know that, okay, you're making money. So now here, I'm just, because I'm playing with 500,000. So I can do like 10%, but it's advisable that we do like 5% of that money. That's the money we can risk, because any money you put in trade, you're risking it like any other business, whether you make profit or you make losses. Okay. So now, mm,
Down and stop.
mm, yes,
You can stop it when you bring down.
yeah, you stop it. You see, this is closing the position. Now it's going, no, once it comes down, we are going to make profit. Right now we are in losses. If we close this right now, we have made this loss, this loss here. Yeah, yeah. And our money keeps reducing. Our main balance keeps reducing. You get it, eh? So your job is to look at that. Now, how will you know that it will come down? How will you know it will go up? You look at the market like in the past 4 hours. That's me what I do. So the past 4 hours, this is, you see, this is US. It's the, like it's the market time in the US. The US market opens at around 12:30. Okay. Now that means like some hours ago. Then you trade like 2 hours. Yeah, ahead. It will respect that direction always. Okay. So if we had entered the market from here and then we just wait for it to come around here, we close, we are done with today's trade. We go out, we withdraw our profit. Okay. We'll do it, I think, next week. So even like people here online, they're waiting for us to do like the trade. They're waiting for my analysis, like signal. Okay, boom, I'm waiting for signal from you. We just started at 500. We are moving 500 to 1000. All right. So what happens is that now each and every point, you need to study when do you buy, when do you sell. Okay. But this is good for you to know the direction in which it's going to go in the next 2 hours. So if you're doing the trade like for 2 hours, you're waiting for it to go down. Okay. For like a long time, that is called like swing trade. You wait for, you've done your analysis. No, no, no. You know that it will go in your direction because of your analysis. You sell and you gain, you make money when you sell. You lose money when you buy. Yeah. So like now, here you see, we have a sale here. So we were trying to sell from this point here. Okay? Yeah. So it's about to reach like a breakout where it will cross here. Now, yeah, now we gain, like for this is called a bearish. No, it moves down. Okay?
What is moving down? What
The price action. The price is going down.
like it's becoming cheaper.
No, the dollar is selling. No, okay, just look at it here. Huh? Look at it here in this thing here. Right now, when it goes down, what happens to our shillings? Shillings loses. When it goes up, shillings what? Gain. Eh? So now, because we are trading two pairs, we are trading gold and gold against dollar. Okay. So now this downer one is gold in our scenario. Okay. So then the upper one is what? Dollar. So that's why we are we are having that scenario where now for me to make money, I have to say that I sell my what? No, my goal so that I can make more money on dollar. Yeah, that's the logic that you play around with it. So like here now, you see it's going to, you see all this. If I close right now, you see our money has gone up. Okay, but still here I have two options. If I buy, I will lose because I still have hopes that it is going to go until it touches this downer one. So I can say go ahead and say you sell it. Okay, but is it a good place to enter? Yeah, now it has gone up a bit. So I have entered the market. Huh? So you see here negative, here it's now green. I'm making profit. If I take this money goes up, but I have to wait for some good money. So this is what we will be doing like next week when we are now doing with even other people. So we will be putting it like this. We'll be trading with them. Okay. We do our good setup. So if we make money, yeah, it's going. Yeah. So like we can now take that $33. So 24, our money has gone up. Okay. You see? Yeah. So right now I can still what? Sell, but there's also a lot size. If I increase it, I make more money. If I'm very sure I I increase it, I make more money. But I put it at 0.01. So the money that I make is kind of just like it's called risk management. So now that's what happens. Okay. So like now we are losing money because it's still up. So usually what I would do, I'll wait for it to go down. Now, when I close it like this, yeah, I've closed. I've made some money. It's going. So you close when it is going up. You make money when it's going up. Huh? Okay, like here.
Just 68.
Uh, now that one we are doing it next week. Eh?
Because
Uh,
once you leave it, it keeps.
no. It's okay. As long as you know that the market is going in your direction, you will withdraw it afterwards. Uh, uh, let me actually also sell from around here.
Once you say your stake is what?
10%. That's 10%. That's the lot size. 10% of the money. If it goes in that direction,
So 10% like 5.
10% of 100 is 0.01. 0.1.
So it can, you're doing 10% of this money.
Eh. So if it drops down in a percentage like that, I make money.
So
Mm. Mm.
can't you remove the 49?
I have to end the trade first. I have to close the trade, and I know that that is the 49, the 50 is my profit for today. Then I close and withdraw. No, you can continue trading. That's the easiest way to make money, and that's what you. Mm. It's the same thing, but this one is much more better. Mm.
Because there we place mistake.
Mm.
When the guy is seeing that the thing is,
Mm.
for example, you can place 300,000.
Mm. Mm.
So it was supposed to be like 800.
Mm.
So when this guy scored,
Mm. Mm.
the guy showed him 500.
Eh. Eh.
Was for him any difference he makes from you.
Eh.
Okay.
Eh.
So I told him, then when he waited a bit,
Eh.
the guys were seriously
Mm.
attacking.
Mm.
He saw that this game is good to finish.
Mm.
So he was giving me 700.
Mm. Mm.
Told him just take it out.
Mm. So now you see, this is an account. We started at 500.
So
Now, oh, if it is on a normal day, now,
any difference you're making,
take it out. Now, so right now, we were trying to make, no, it's the same. It's the same. Just only the setup. Just only the setup. Eh?
I'm saying,
No, okay. So now the best thing that we would do, you will be here next week. We are going to be doing even withdraw live here. Okay? You're going to be doing it live. I would right now we're preparing for a final game. So you do like practice. So we are practicing. That's why you see here it's called demo account. We are practicing. We tried with $50. We lost it twice. Hey, so losing $50 twice, that means hey, 100 gone. So now the more money you put, the better, but proper risk management. You don't take a bigger risk until you do proper analysis of the market and see that the market is going in your direction. Now you look here. For 500, if I'm aiming to double it to make 1,000, the lot size, which is recommended, is 0.03 to 0.05. That's the lot size. Okay? Is recommended for a balanced risk. Okay, why 0.01 to 0.2 is safer if you are beginners. You get it, So now these are clues you get to know. Now, because you don't lose a lot of money, now aggressive strategies might use a lot side of 0.01, like 0.1, which is 10%. So, but the risk of losing the entire account is rapidly. Okay, so proper risk management uh, dictates what? Risking only 1 to 2, but 5 to 10% per trade, keeping a leverage control. Okay, yeah. So this is the information that you need. Once you have this information, in every point, not it doesn't even happen like that. It happens with percentage in points. Each drop here, it's now a percentage. You get it, So like now here, when we sell, I'm just giving you an example. I'm not sure whether it's going to go down because it has been in this area for some time. Mm.
And there people can claim like a 1 or 2%.
Yeah, I've actually been doing one when the account was like in 10,000. Yeah, But right now, 1% is risky with the money that I have there. That's why we are handling what? Risk management. No, you can go beyond, but just know that in a blink of an eye, you lose all that money. Yeah? In a blink of an eye, all that money is gone. Yeah, all that money is. So now, even next week, now the safer amount of money, if I'm looking at making $100 or 150, eh? Like let me close this one. I don't know whether it would have. So now this is like 140. If I'm aiming at making like $150 or $200, so I would withdraw only that 200. I leave my 500K there. You understand? Eh? So that's the same scenario that is happening with this account. But I can't. I want to do that trade like next week because today is Friday. The market is closing, and anytime it is volatile, it can go against me, and you lose all that money. Okay. If I have not taken trade between this hour to this hour, I should now start thinking about what? Relaxing. Because it's not going to go in my direction. And it's about to start consolidating, means keeps rotating in that same place. So now that's the thing. Guys, we are sorry we are having another discussion here, but it's okay. Yeah. Yeah, you guys listen here every day. Every day. Yeah, I do also on Zoom. Yeah, I do also on Zoom. Yeah. Selling at this point. So remember me whenever I'm on live stream, I keep telling people, so if you buy, you hold on the trade up to here. Guys, take your profit. So right now, like guys who are selling, guys, take your profit. It's about to go at into the buy direction. So I can draw and tell them that from here, it's likely going to go up. Okay. Then, so you get to know the direction. After hitting here, if it closes below this, it's going to go up because it has been respecting it here. It has also been respecting it here. So that's how you do the analysis. Yes. There are times when it keeps moving only like here, that is consolidating. And you make market only when you buy or sell. That's the only way you make money. Now you see it even went down, completely down. So now it has crossed down. It will go up and close here. So for us, we shall take the buy. Then we will make money going up. Yeah, we will make money going up. But sometimes you will say that it will go up, then it continues down. That's how you lose more money. Eh? Yes.
The challenge is you cannot determine whether it is going to go up or down. Also,
it's easier. You will know. Here it's easier to know. Okay? Like you see, we have these previous signals. Like you see, this was a big one. Okay? And if we had bought from here and waited up to this point, would have made a lot of money. And also remember, it might respect and come to the previous, this downer one, which is actually doing that. But when it comes here, right now, actually, the best thing to do is if you've taken a sale, take your profit now. Okay? Now I'm telling people who are online, like, take your profit, because anytime now the market is going to go into what? The bearish direction. So for me, because I was explaining this, I was not concentrating on this. Okay? But my target reached 1,000 was if I buy from here, I wait, it reaches here, I close, I take all my profit. I'm done with today. Until Monday. You trade from Monday to Friday, unless you're going to trade another what? Currency. So I built an entire academy here. That so all this academy, like here, it teaches you like what forex is. You see, like master the art of gold trading. You see, these are like people you train. You get it, eh? The gold strategy, because you need to have a strategy. You need to learn the things. So you can actually log into the system. If you don't have an account, you send an email, but these are the courses that are there. This is a free course where, like, right now I'm doing a free course with people. Yeah, which is called what? Basic setups in the demo account. Okay. This is free. So I come online every time to do a free training for people to get to know how to do trade. Yeah, then understand something like pips, lots, and leverages, and then basic risk management. So these are the most important things that you need to do. But these ones are basics, okay? But now when you come to the technical analysis class, I teach you at what point do you enter, at what point do you exit. But right now, even here, I can give you the tips and say, okay, guys, you see, it has closed exactly on that line. The problem is that at some point it's going to go down, eh? Let me just try to show it to you. Huh? Like you see, but I will not like leave it stay there for long. So I've closed it like 37,000. So this is almost like, you see that candle wick, eh? So it is now respecting the previous one here. It even went beyond it. Okay. So very soon, for I've not indicated somewhere like people should buy. That is the part of entry, eh? Like here, when do you enter? When do you enter? When do you exit? So now for me, what I do is that it has gone down. The reason why I don't want to sell now, I know that anytime the candle wick will go up, so that loss will now remain. Okay, you understand, eh? But remember, this account was in 500. How much money have we made so far? 182. So when you come to currency converter, you put like 182. You leave your capital there. This is what you have earned in one day. That's why those guys are what? Making a lot of money very fast. Yeah. So, but you need to learn how to protect what? Your capital. Eh? That's the most important thing. You need to learn how to what? Protect your capital. Mm.
You can
Well, 180 or 200 every day. In a month, you would be rich. Yeah. So that's what, but remember, you're only trading for 20 days. Out of 20 days in a week, there are days you can make profit, there are days you make losses. Okay? Now you see all this if we had bought, but me, I have told you why I don't want to buy. It's going down, yes, but I might be trapped. Eh? Eh? Yeah, I would be in $1,000. Eh? That's why I'm telling you, like right now, if it goes like this, it's a trap. Anytime it's going to go up. Yeah. So now there are people who are waiting. They miss their chances of what? Of selling. Eh? Now they're waiting for me to give them a signal that it is going up. Then they also place their buy. It's the same thing. You make the profit because you are selling at this point. So when the price goes up, when it goes up, you make money. As simple as that. So like now, let's wait. It's about to go up. It's about to go up. So that's the basic fundamentals of what? Forex trading. That's why I was telling you, like, even we are going to give out money, even like next time when we are trading, eh? You will be here. The money we win, I will give it to you because you would be here to see. You and some guy here. There's a guy here who has over insisted. I don't know whether he's still online, but he's from South Africa. So he has over insisted, like we now do like blah blah blah. Eh? No, no, no. So that's why you see I was trying to tell. So guys, it's going to be a buy. So here is a buy. Now for them, they're also seeing me like I put a buy, but me, I'm also going to what? To buy. Now I know very well that from here, it is going to continue going up and I will make that money goes to 1,000. That one, I don't need to panic. It's going to go up. Unless maybe I want it to you see, uh, if I close like this, I've made 18, eh? You see, but I can be patient, eh? Because I know it's now going to go up. So this is a buy zone. So whoever buys now makes money, eh? Because we have been doing the analysis together. So that's why even trading, you trade like together with people, eh? So like if you are here, two heads, now you know proper risk management, the basic things, okay? So you won't lose your money. You now know the capital is 500. But if you use 50K, $50, $100, that one is easier to lose all of it at once. Because if this thing goes down like the way it has gone, yeah, and you will see it. You will see it here how our accounts are even blown. Like now, since that money is slightly okay, but I don't need to take more risk, eh? Because this is already enough risk. So I just have to wait for it to go in my direction. If it reaches 1,000, I close. Yeah, because that's my goal for today is to move from this to that. Yeah.
So, okay, you are the one putting this.
Yes, I'm the one putting those lines. Yeah, for it, you won't know. It will just be that. Yeah, and it can be bigger like this.
So,
It can be bigger like that. Mm.
so when the red one begins going down.
When you sell, when you put like you open a position from here and it goes down up to here, you make money. Like from here, remember we started this trade when it was here. Only that. Mm, mm,
For you,
mm,
part is to just
mm. Analyze, get the strategy. Uh, yes. Mm.
But how long it goes up or down?
You don't know. Yeah, you don't. Because here, it has to respect the market and go up. Okay? Because in that process of going down, like here, it would have blown so many accounts. For those who like wanted, who bought around here, hey, that's a lot of money if you sell. If you say like here, if we put the buy zone that here, and it went down, it would have been like, would have made a, would have even, our account would have been blown. Yeah, that's why it's good to what? Like now, the guys are watching it live. I've told them it's a buy. Uh, and if right now they buy and they're on this live stream, they're making money because we have done the analysis. Because we looked at it and said that each and every time it from this point it goes up. So now we need to know that from this point, how long will it continue going up? Hmm? So we may first put our first take profit to be what here. That if it goes up here, from here up to around here, okay, I can now delete this one because now this one, yeah, this one was obeyed, so I can delete this one. So as long as it goes up to around here, when we reach our money, we take our profit. We are done trading for today until tomorrow. Why over trade? You might over because you want to be rich in one day, you make losses. Eh? So now you see it is respecting, it's going up in our direction. And for me, I would be happy. Don't you see it's going up? That's good analysis of the market. That's the reason why people come to my channel here. Eh? They come here so that they get that signal. Okay? But most of the time I'm talking to them. And of course, it is even better to make more money. No, we will see here. So now I can confident tell them in real account, eh? Those who have a funded account, in real account, buy now. You will make money. Okay? Now that's what I've told them. Now me, this is for this. Then I also come here and also come and do what? Buy. Take my stake. Now it's the app still, the one that uses the phone. So right now I made a bias, okay? It's a yeah. So now this is my profit now running. Yeah. So no, this one you learn it. Yeah? Uh, see, profit now it's going up. So you can even make like $2,000 plus. Huh? You, eh? Now, this is what happens in real life. Yeah. No. You, of course, the safest money is 500. But you just don't come here to the chat and then listen. People say it's a buy, it's a buy. No. For you just sit and watch. Because I even indicated it clearly here. That what? That my goal today, yeah. You see, guys are happy. Now, guys who are here, they're happy. Yeah. No. Here it was from 500. 50 is risky. We failed seriously. Okay, we failed seriously.
So, ever since you put 500, have you gotten out some money?
Yes, I've gotten out some money. Yeah, I've got it. But now this one, I want to do it live with the people, so that people get the confidence and continue staying here to wait for signals. You get it, eh? So that even when I'm about to make mistakes, they're also seeing that, hey, no, you're about to make mistakes. Yeah. So, and today is Friday. As long as we hit like 1,000, we close because it is what? Friday. After that, the market would start consolidating, doing those stupid things. Now, let me first remove this profit. Because I want it to just keep going from there. So this
the other money.
yeah, I want it to continue going from the other money that is already made. Yes. Did we? Maybe we bought slightly. Which one? No, it has to continue running. No, this is for learning, like for other people. People who are now doing real trade, they're doing it on the phone. Yeah? You take the buys from here. People who are doing real trade, they're taking the real money now. But it will still continue up. Me, I just want it to reach 1,000. Then I tell them, guys, today's target we have already achieved. Yeah? I can't close. If that is enough money. Because it was 500 and it has gone plus, but I'm still I know it will still continue going up, but I don't want it to go and start consolidating like this. It makes me stay in front of computer for nothing, and yet I would have closed and do other stuff. Hmm? So you see, guys are still there watching. Huh? The number keeps coming up, keeps dropping. Yeah, but let's give it to reach 1,000. Huh? Let's give it to reach 1,000. So it's going up. Let's first take that profit, and then now let me show you another technique. Because it is going up, it is first going to pull. Maybe it would put I can first take a buy here. Okay, no sell. We are selling. We are not buying anything. Okay. Now I wait. I want to make more money. You see now it's now the other upper one is losing, and then what? I sell again, so that when it starts going up, we bought when it was low. When it's now start going up, we make more money. So right now it will reach 1,000 very fast because I have two open positions here. I have two buys here of 0.1. It's like I'm doing 0.2. So every time now 0.2 is 20%. So no, it's going down. It's okay. It has to first pull out the wick, then close above it. Okay. Unless it goes up to up, then comes down. Eh? That means it has gone against us. Like now, I can take, but if I take, I'm exposing that account to a bigger risk because of what? Those ones are enough. Hmm? But I can take here because I know very well that it is going to go up. Okay. No selling. We wait. Hmm? It's bullish. There's no need to panic. It's going to go up. You don't need to sell. It's bullish. So the trend is bullish. You just have to be patient. It's going to go in your direction. Oh, there's a thing here that we talked about. Now, I've closed that profit, but I made a mistake. I should have not closed because the other one, this one which started making profits means we bought it when it's down. Okay. But we can wait for it to go. But if it was that big profit, yeah, we are making 1,000 together. You're seeing it now. We are in 900. Yeah, we are reaching the target from 500 to. Until now, that's what we are going to do. We are funding another account. We are funding another account. Now we see. We're watching now. We are almost there. Now we are in 1,000. You see, it goes, it comes, it goes, it comes. Hold on. Uh, you be patient. Eh? Wait, he hasn't yet gone. You see, you have to be patient because it will keep testing going up. But sometimes people are not like patient. Now like it's coming down. Now there you lose hope. Hmm? But if we would have closed, but you have seen at some point we were there, right? Yeah. But if you want more money, that's why like those people who always want a lot, they're in trouble. Now there it has come. Hmm. I'll just have to close. Because also closing, you have to be careful, eh? It might close when then it pulls back a bit. Do you keep doing that? Let's first close that. Then you can take on like one buy, and then next buy. Then it will cross that 1,000. Okay? Because now, yeah. So yeah, we are there. So yeah, those ones who are on real account, I know you're making money. Should be very happy. But you have to do this always. And after this, guys, the market is changing. We have not yet crossed 1,000. We have been trying to cross 1,000 and it keeps failing. And that's the thing. Now here we just have to wait for it to what they have started going down. And that's what people don't want. Eh? Like you can get tired very fast. It doesn't want to go in your direction. And that's what trading is all about. It requires a lot of patience, discipline. But this is much better than what? Betting. Because betting is pure gambling. But here, eh? Now you see, but you see here, it has dropped up to here. Eh? You've seen, eh? But if we put our buy at this position, when it start going up, we make more money. So that's the good entry. Like now, would be a good point to what? To buy. Mm. It would be a good point to buy. But also it's okay. Now let's just go up 1,000 and we close. But at least you have learned. Now you can trade. Eh? Eh,
But when I'm not here,
eh. No. You wait, eh? We will make that money. Okay, let this first end. Let it reach 1,000 because that's the goal for today. Let it reach 1,000. Then I show you something. Eh, You wait. Like me right now, when I'm done with writing up these papers, reason why I'm not putting up a lot of this week I'm working on the papers because I have a deadline on what? They need me to submit this paper by 20th. So I need to keep my mind like locked in. What? You see here by 20th. So I have two papers to send. I have one paper. This is one. Then I have another paper, which is this. So I have a lot of because they are paying for the air ticket and we are going to get some money for trading. So that's why I was telling you like let's first sort out like internet without do like So guys, now it's that time. The 2 hours are done, so I can tell you it's better to stop trading now because you won't make money. The New York time, it's already crazy. So it's 11:20 right now in the New York. So we have done trading from 9 a.m. to 11:20. So those are the 2 hours boundary. So you won't make money right now. It's just going to be against you. Yeah. You'll just be losing even the money you've worked. So just stop the trade and then you come back on Monday and do trade. Yeah, you see, we went to 1,000 now. Maybe I can close one more time. I still say, because me, I hate those things. I hate like making losses. I just dislike it. Because at this time it's very difficult to predict where it's going. So you keep losing until you get fed up. Keep losing. Okay. So let me end this. Okay. We are ending here. See you on Monday.